Because we have just over an hour left and we have 85 minutes. Yeah, so that works.
Let me run some calculations on that.
You know that GIF where that woman is like doing
Yes.
the,
Yes.
like, I think of Lycona every single time.
I see Tiger post that one a lot. Right.
It's
Every
me and
time I
like
look-
Kona when you guys are talking about strat. You're like doing algebra.
But then, if the left goes to the right, what happens to me?
Venom and Ziza in lectures, preparing a preschool fucking presentation for Tiger and Venom.
Pretty much.
Red AoE bad.
Tactician drops your aggro.
Hypercharge increases damage.
Come in.
I like that.
Good on you, Lycona.
Tiger, did you legit think it was an ammo an ammo dump? A fucking aggro dump?
It is an aggro dump.
Tactician does do a second.
It is.
Tactician,
Oh,
and
Tactician. No, I meant
Yeah.
the other one.
Hypercharge.
Diversion? I don't know.
Oh, that was.
oh, yeah, diversion is a dump.
No.
Knockback now.
I love when the eye's behind us.
I love it when you're behind me.
Nice.
Bottom. I. May. Left right groups. Good DPS there. Female, go to the female. Eye is on that side. Bring
Together.
it together. Hop sprint, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Ah, Tiger, high.
Dream Team Pally.
Maximum uptime. Swap. Okay, this was together. Just for my own fucking sanity. I'm a bumble. Tank busters. That benefit Kudo. Beautiful.
Woman?
Female. Ah!
Help, I can't. Thank you.
Go to the man. On the woman's butt. Spread for fire after this. Mind the chariot.
Lasers.
No reprisal on mine.
Star.
Here's a swap bay. And this has to be a part. I'll go to A. You go to C, Sal.
Oh.
And then it isn't it?
He'll come, I think.
Yeah, I think he
Yeah.
follows it.
Don't worry. We got it. Position it right. Careful, my team. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pop sprint. Look where the
Make sure
eye
you
is.
max.
Look where the Look where the
Pally,
eye
make sure you
is.
go as far as you can, dude.
You need to swap your things. Union. Good. Heals. Reprisal if you have it there.
Yes, I do.
Tank busters after this.
Eye is behind me.
Tiger, use your diversion if you have it.
I don't have it, but I
That's
can.
okay. That's okay. Babe, bring to me. Babe, bring to me. Oh, help him.
He's critting me.
This is the male position.
Gonna realign him a little bit.
Go to your quadrants. Go to your quadrants. Babe, don't use sprint.
Yeah. I won't be shaking either.
You're going farther than?
Okay, come back in. Come back in. You need to spread back out. Heal, heal, heal. Spread back out. Back
Follow
into
him.
Dynamo. Dynamo. And then
Get
come
ready to
back
run out
out.
again.
Out, out, out. Heal.
Cold
Heal,
wave
heal,
venom.
heal. Another laser, another laser.
Reprisal
Need
Vey,
mana shift?
let's go to B, Vey. Let's go to D.
to B. Gotcha. Where's I? Facing A? Okay. Yeah.
Party on D, party on D. Goose move A.
Call for mantra when you want it. Human.
Shakes up for
Bails
Cosmo.
out, bails out.
Pots if you have them.
Thank you.
Bail, pop my bail. Cool. Aggro's okay. Is you aggro okay?
Yes.
We have to move soon. Tank busters.
Home gang going up. Which way?
Let's move to A.
Gotcha.
Party on A. It might be you or me, Vey.
Yep, yep.
We need to move. Advanced suppression. Me again.
There you go. Caesar was right.
Here, it's okay. Oh, I need. Oh, get me up, Mimi. It's okay,
Oh.
it's okay. If I'm up in time, it's good. Watch the small lasers. Don't heal me through it. Limit
Man is on
break as
2%.
well.
I
Limit
need
break.
Male.
mana.
LB, Tiger, as he said.
Vey, shirk me now.
Shaking you. You've got it.
Yeah.
Switch
Kill the
to
female. You guys need to kill the female.
3 auto attacks, was it?
Yeah.
Got some time.
Kill it.
Oh, yes!
Keep the time.
Now we need to do that like probably 10 more times. Before we
You gotta
cleanse.
touch me.
No, Pally!
Where are you going, Steve?